Today I'm making the most pigmented, bold red balm you've ever seen. Using the shade Rockstar, I'm going to mix this together and look how absolutely intense that is. If this is not the most pigmented balm you've ever seen, look how smooth and creamy. Oh, so satisfying. If the movie Halloween Town were a color of an eyeshadow base or a lip balm, it would be this color in my opinion. Like if you know those movies, because you should, because hello, iconic, duh, childhood memories, you would get the reference. But this color is giving me creamy tomato bisque meets Halloween Town. This is absolutely stunning. Let's try something new using this Ballerina Girl neutral eyeshadow base. So I'm creating this lip balm using this color because I was like, well, I always do something super bold and colorful, but what does something a bit more muted and toned down look like? And this is what I got. This is very neutral, very wearable, but like super satisfying too. Let's make a Peeps inspired yellow balm. Now it's no secret that I'm not a fan of anything yellow, but I think this color is actually pretty dang stunning because it's just so accurately yellow and just so pigmented like Peeps who? Using the shade Jade, I'm gonna create a stunning, as always, green lip balm. Now immediately upon mixing this, I'm getting that green M&M vibe, you know the one. This is like essentially that exact color. I'm living for this. My favorite part of these videos is like smoothing it out, so let me show you it again. Okay, two things. First of all, this color does not match the tube. You see, completely different, but that's besides the point. So I was just outside and I found a baby blue jay nest in one of my trees, and this is inspired by that. Girl, we're going Smurf blue with this lip balm today. Now, although I think it should be common sense, I don't wear each and every single one of these that I make. A lot of these are obviously just for demo purposes, and it's fun and it's colorful and it's just enjoyable for me to do. Just thought I'd point that out. I love that the shade is called Purple Cream because that's essentially what I'm making. So I'm making this beautiful eggplant purple, if you will. Well, not so much eggplant because this is a few shades lighter, but we'll just pretend it's eggplant purple. But this is a gorgeous little balm. Just like the name of this shade, I am very in love with this purple shade. This is so beautiful, and I'm absolutely obsessed with these new bases I got. They're so highly pigmented. I'm literally shook. Oh, look at that. So the shade I'm using today is called Barbie Pink, as you can see, and right away I'm not feeling like this is Barbie Pink. Like Barbie Pink to me is a lot lighter and more playful. This is giving me like coral vibes, like almost lobster pink if that were even a thing, but still absolutely stunning. Y'all, I finally found the most intensely pigmented black base, so now I'm finally going to make the most literal perfect black lip balm. This is so pure black. I named this Dementor. Okay, I'm nervous about this one because I feel like the Vaseline will really dilute the white to make it look kind of like a nasty color. Okay, it's coming together.
Coming together.
It's looking like buttercream, like accurately made buttercream.
Is that all it looks like, Cody? Is it? Is it?
Okay, this is actually pretty dang white. Like Snow White could never.